you want to come into trading. So we have a professional trading and mentorship program. We've been doing it for 2 years now. We started it last year, April. So we have done that. That's 1 year plus. But funding account, we started funding account almost like 3 years. It started through my birthday stuff. I started giving it. So you can be able to apply to get up to $1,000 account. You can get $5,000 account. You can get $10,000 account. You can also get $50,000 account. The essence of it is to help you learn trading without you taking any risk. It's not a new thing. We've been doing it for a long time. Yeah, and we have funded a lot of clients and on a lot of from different platforms, not just on one platform, from different brokers. We funded them. So those of you that want to learn trading, I started learning trading like you too, like you. So I wasn't this big, but we started on a rough note where we have to struggle with demo account, we struggle with money for training, we struggle with raising a capital. So the essence of providing this fund for you is to assist you navigate those kind of hustles, because now you should be making more profit than us because we teach you the right thing. We don't need to be struggling again. We know how the market works. We just hit it on the nail and you're able to catch it up and grow from there. So that is one of the reasons why we're providing this fund. So if you're able to afford training fee or mentorship fee, you can be able to have a capital to start trading with. Until you're able to master trading, you should not put in your own money. Do you understand? It's different from going to buy a profile account. You also like putting your own money at risk while you don't even know how to trade. So it's not, life is not by gambling. You need to understand some things, even though trading has a risk. But if you are properly trained and taught, you have eliminated the chances of becoming vulnerable to the market. That's the truth. An experienced trader is already 70% safer than inexperienced trader. Then you become an advanced trader, you become 80 to 90% safer. So these are the series of funding you can be able to receive from us. For those of us that are learning for 6 months, of course, they already know that they have about $5,000 account we have with them. Come to our page, you see a lot of them, they are doing well there. So they are trading with it. They have been trading with it for more than 6 months. Those of us learning for 1 year, you can have up to $10,000 account from us. You'll be trading with. Then those of us on our VIP, you can have up to $50,000 account you're trading with. Until you're able to understand trading, then you can now switch to your own account. So how to apply is the link to apply is here. You can pay through. You can pay us through all this payment system. Then, of course, we'll receive it and able to to put you through. So as you can see the link, so it's also check this our bio or our comment section. You'll be able to see the link as well. Do you understand? So this is one of the perfect funding program you should use. It's our educational fund to learn trading. So is that all right? So now going further, we are going to push more into the market condition. Yeah, into the market condition for the day, into the market condition for the day. So there are other sorry, I need one on my phone here now. I need one on my phone. So our analysis today will be focusing on commodities. From commodities, we go into FS product. We may not be able to go into stock or indices. You know what I mean? So the commodities we are going to focus on, focus on gold. We've been doing well on gold. Gold has been performing extremely well. And we're also going to go into we're also going to go into forest products and a bit of fundamental analysis. There are one unique thing you need to understand why you should join us, is that you can be able to help you make profit because we do consistent analysis until profit comes. Do you understand? We give you a consistent analysis until you make profit. I just on the slide. Let me see how you look. Okay, it's actually looking nice. Okay, let me take this for you. Okay. Okay. I think it's more shining. Let me put it this way. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So, let me put it this way. Oh, perfect. So I have more visibility. So we'll be able to give you more analysis, more consistent and persistent analysis until you make profit. So these are the things you will get to know. So last week we were expecting that you make about $10,000 to $10,000 on oil, $8,000 on gold, $1,500 on Euro USD. So these are some sound and perfect analysis that we have we did, and we are also going to establish on that. So our analysis this week, we're also expecting to make at least 500 pips on the whole thing. But one thing you need to know about us is that we are one of the best places you can trade with, because we are not necessarily trading only on forex or leverage or uh, high risk product. We also be able to navigate other markets, and so we can be able to teach you how to make use of how to navigate the proper financial market and make money from it. For example, we have a system that allow you to hedge with gold. Mhm. System that allow you to hedge with gold. One of the best systems so far. So let me show you. System that allow you to hedge with gold. And this system, we have eliminated the chances of you losing a capital. Yeah, this system. Some of you don't know much about all these things. We have a system that allows you to hedge with gold. Excuse me, let me just get my phone with me. Perfect, I'm back now. So let me also check your phone. Okay. So we have a system that allows you to hedge with gold. The system that will prevent you from losing your capital and also help you to make more money, not just trading on leverage product. If you see very well, gold has performed extremely well. Gold has done 50% this year until there was a little retracement. Current performance of gold this year is 41.44%. That is current performance like today. This is not leverage product. This is normal gold spot. As you can see, the gold price. This is performance for the whole year. So for those of you that are trading on leverage, like gold forex, you may be making more money than this one. But this is the real deal. The real market is this one you're watching here. You see this one I'm showing you here? Is the real, see this one is the real deal. So now you can actually invest on gold. We can actually invest on gold without trading, just invest on physical gold and make return. And gold has performed much better this year than the treasury bill. It has performed much better this year than some stocks. It has performed much better this year than, of course, than real estate. Yeah. So if you are looking for where to multiply your money into the in your account instead of investing on real estate, gold is one of the best, because one of the advantage of gold is that gold, it is easy to liquidate. So if you are into real estate and you just want to come into real estate for the sake of investment and doubling your money, you may get 7 to 10% per annum, and at the same time, you may not be able to liquidate as soon as possible. But unless if you are going on real estate to hedge your asset by owning a property for a long time, their concept, your concept and their objective matters in any decision you're making. But if you want to turn over, gold is one of the best. Yeah, because gold is even if you have $1 million worth of gold, you can walk into the bank and liquidate it immediately. But if you have $1 million worth of property, some countries you won't even be able to see a buyer immediately. Convert your asset to liquid. Yeah, so that is so this platform allow you to hedge your physical asset with gold, also allow you to also own gold. So it's a platform that connect to from exchange to brokers, so giving you access to all in one marketplace, and they can be able to join the company. So there are a lot of advantage. Of course, gold is used in protecting capital. Of course, all of us know about that one. It can make profits from the both ways. It can maximize your return. Yeah. So then you can also connect your account. Yeah, those of you that trade on forex, you can connect your Ava Trade account, which is MT5 account, to it, and they can hedge part of the money you're trading on AvaTrade to it. AvaTrade is one of the best and heavily regulated broker. For disclaimer purpose, I'm not promoting AvaTrade. I just have to use them for clarity so that you understand the like you understand what the company like which the company that you are dealing with is like highly regulated and a big firm. So I'm not promoting them for now. So that let me just put that disclaimer so that you won't think it's promoting AvaTrade. I'm not promoting them. So somebody say I should send him $100. It's like I should send him $10. It's like you want to play bet. Let me answer some questions here. I'm checking. So I'm on live stream, so you shouldn't expect me to be too formal. So I have to be free to do what I want to do. In case you want anything, just feel free to chat up with me. I'll be able to answer you. Yeah. Let me quickly show you how the good hedging portal works. How good hedging portal works. Yeah. So you see how the portal works. So you can be able to hedge part of your account with gold, and you make good amount of profit on it. So I'm just laying the foundation before I go into the forex market, which is the financial market. That is the popular one everyone is trading. And just give me a sec. Let me check up something. But you're free to drop your comment. Those of you that are here, feel free to drop your comment. I'll be able to put you through. You know what I mean? Feel absolutely free to drop your comment. I will put you through. And you can also share our page with any of your family of any of the group where you are, so that they can be able to join us. You know what I mean? Did you understand that? So this is the gold hedging portal. Just take a minute to study it. You see, the price you're seeing there is different from the regular price that you see on trading. So you can buy gold, you can be able to own gold, you can be able to invest on gold directly, and then you can also be able to trade on gold using leverage. Okay. Yeah. So now this is the gold hedging pattern. For example, you can as well hedge some of your account. Let's say you want to have $10,000 into your trading account. You have $10,000, then you could. It's already at 50%. You could hedge 50% of it to your trading account, and you could hedge 50% of them on gold. Probably you could also you say, no, I want all the money to go into my trading account. Then you can put it here and put all the money into your trading account. You may say, no, 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 no. I want all the money to go into gold. You just want to buy gold, invest on gold. Then you can move it here and put all the money into gold. Let's say you have about $10,000 at the beginning of this year. By now, you must have made over 50% of it just by investing on gold this year. Yeah, by now you must have made over 50% of it. And let's say you have over $100,000 invested on gold. It must have worth $150,000 this year. Yeah, for the past 22 months, it has done more than 100%. Or up to 100%. If you go on gold gram, we started trading on gold when gold was $39 per gram. Now it's 130 something dollars per gram. So gold has extremely done well, to be honest. It has really, really done well. Yeah. So from here, then you could allocate the account. Let's say you want this money, you want 30% to be hedging your gold, which is $3,000 can be hedging your gold, and 70% can be on your trading account, which is on your normal forex account. And then you are good to go. This MT5, this MT5 is connected to the Avatar platform. Then you can now like select payment method, bank wire, debit card, Bitcoin, or any currency that is available, and submit. Then you're already hedging. So now you'll be making money from the price rising on gold, and you're also making money from other instruments that you're trading. Then if you also trade gold on CFD, you're making money on the same side. And it becomes practically impossible for you to lose money, lose your capital, because even if the price dropped, like for example, even if the price dropped, like the price of this account dropped, the profit you're making here dropped. This is tangible asset. So you are now kind of investing on a tangible asset, like the proper asset class is what you are investing on. So you have chances of not losing any capital, because in fact by the time this one let's say it traded for about 6 months, the one you're hedging here may even have gone up to maybe at the additional 30% or 40% or 15%, no matter what, because gold always go more up than falling. So the $3,000 you're hedging may even become 4,000 or 3,500 or whatever amount of numbers that have added on gold. That is the beauty of it. Why, as an experienced trader, the one you're trading here, or the normal one you're trading on your account, this one, I have also have gone up. So it's like a very powerful strategy that you can use to hedge your account on gold. It's a platform that's very powerful, very, very powerful. So in the future, the possibility of adding more of cryptocurrency, where you can be able to hedge your cryptocurrency with physical gold, and let's just eliminate this stupidness of losing capital all the time, because stop loss can never stop you from losing a capital. We want to eliminate that and making sure there's consistency, stability, and growth. You know what I mean? Yeah. So in case you are joining us, let me check if the number is increasing. In case you are joining us, quickly let us know where you're coming from. Okay, we have 68 watching now. We have 68% watching on YouTube now. So the number is gradually increasing. So we can't wait to have you guys more joining us. We have 68. Oh, we have 157. Wow. 172. So the number we have now is gradually increasing. So guys, so keep dropping your comment and every other thing that you may need. In case you have a question, just feel free to ask us. We'll be able to put you through. Yeah, we have 218 persons live on our streaming now. Yeah, we have 218 persons. Yeah, somebody okay, so okay, perfect. So let me go further on the market of the day. Before that, let me check what the news is saying itself. I think I've given you a lot of value now. I've given you value on gold. I've given you value on getting an account, and I've given you value on I've given you value on I've given you value on how to grow your investment. Yeah, I'm giving you mad value. Don't mind me. Please don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm giving you value. We have 499. 499 watching us live. Okay, so yo, this is the market of the day. This is oil. The price, as I was here, oil had a sharp drop. As I was speaking to you, it was trading around oil was trading around $60, 60.44 per barrel, and hardly sharp and just have a sharp drop to 59.66. So technically, we keep seeing this area as our potential support zone. This area still remain our potential support zone. And what are the price within this area? The price between $58 per barrel, $57 per barrel, $56 per barrel. They are all potential support zone. Yes, the least is $56 per barrel. So technically, the market is this year is actually bearish. It's been dropping since from $77 per barrel down to 58, 50, 59, or it even went to 56. But that doesn't mean that there have not been potential buyers. So it means that the volume of sellers are much more in number this year than the volume of buyers. However, it can actually sell oil and lose money. That's where trading comes in. If you're not an experienced investor, an experienced trader, you may also trade oil and lose money. So technically, here I'm buying. This is a web trading platform. Let me show you the platform. This platform, I have some buying position here. The one I was showing you before was demo account, but this is a live account now. Here now, I have some position here that's holding two position. Is there enough gain? I'm buying Brent crude oil and with this unit, so they have not gained yet. So the total profit is minus 6,000. So I'm just expecting more bullish. Immediately the price surge, I'll have chance of making a good amount of profit. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, but I don't really like using this platform to give an IC because it does not give me all the features I want. But this is a live account, so I have to go back to a demo account where I can be able to give you a proper listen, or I go back to proper MT5. Some of you like MT5. I can go back to proper MT5 to give you the listen. But let me just remain on the web, which is much more better for me. Do you understand? So make sure if you are just joining us for the first time, make sure you share our page to your friends. We really need your collaboration to reach mass audience, to reach more people. So if you know that you are getting value from us, I think somebody want to join me. Somebody want to join me. Somebody want to join me. Let me check. Somebody want to join me. Who is that? Okay, no. I'm not gonna allow anyone in for now. So what I'm saying on all is this. Here still remain our potential zone for buyers. Potential zone for buyers. You see this area. So what that means is that, we still under this particular point here. Technically, those of us that have done technical analysis a lot of boys, a lot of celebrities in this trading space don't do fundamental because the mass audience of people are too lazy to understand some fundamentals. So we are already used to technicals. Technically, it's easy for us to understand because that's what we are seeing. We could be able to predict the movement. In fact, my mentor is a technical trader. So at this point, 58 is also a potential what we call minor support. So we are also expecting the price of oil to move above 60. So I'm predicting the price to go around 50 at this point, above 60. Let me check the price there. Above like 61.50, which was the potentiality of us making 250 pips as analyzed here. That was the potentiality of us making 250 pips as we analyze, and 250 pips so far with let's just use the one of the least volume, 250 pips, the $20 volume. Yeah, 250 pips, $20 volume. That's $20, $20 in bracket. That's two lots. For those of you that don't understand anything, you may think that $20 now is $20 capital or $20 balance. It means two lots times 250. Yeah, that would be $5,000. Yeah, that would be $5,000. Yeah, $5,000. So make $5,000 here. Yeah. Then it's enough for you to visit the nearby coffee shop and have some coffee with your girlfriend and your family. Yeah, let me be sure. 20 times 250. Yeah, that's $5,000. Yeah, I'm right. So you're gonna cash out potential profit. Let me put it on green. $5,000. Yeah, if the price should move to that point, and we still hold the position there. So as I'm having 400 volume here, my trade here, I'm holding 400 volume. Here is 400 volume, 400, 400. That's 400 units, which is like 40 lot size. Yeah, 4,000 units. Yeah, this is $40 per movement. I think so, $40 per movement. So 40, 40, that's